Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot Android 2025. Let's begin. So first we want to go to an application that we want to make a screenshot of. Now we can go to our background, and by that of course I mean apps that run in the background, and here we have a button for screenshot. Of course, this only works on Google Pixel. You might have a different way to performing a screenshot on, for example, realme phone or a Xiaomi phone, both of which really work based on Android. But probably the most universal way to take a screenshot is by pressing power button and volume down button, just like that. And this should work on every single device that is based on Android. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.